Saurav Joshi has become a household name in the world of vlogging, captivating millions with his engaging content and charismatic personality. This blog post delves into his biography, detailing his early life, rise to YouTube stardom, unique content style, achievements, income sources, and personal life. Whether you are a fan or a newcomer to his channel, this comprehensive overview will provide you with everything you need to know about Saurav Joshi. Birthplace and date. Saurav Joshi was born on September 8, 1999, in the scenic state of Uttarakhand, India. Growing up amidst the picturesque landscapes of the region, Saurav developed a deep appreciation for nature and adventure from a young age. Family and early influences. Saurav's family played a significant role in shaping his interests and ambitions. His father, Harish Joshi, and his mother, Hema Joshi, supported his creative endeavors from the beginning. Saurav was particularly influenced by his family's love for art and adventure, which later became prominent themes in his vlogs. Education and early interests. Saurav pursued a Bachelor of Fine Arts degree, which allowed him to hone his artistic skills. His early interests included exploring jungles, visiting adventure places, and documenting these experiences. This passion for adventure and creativity set the foundation for his future career as a vlogger. Initial interest in vlogging. Saurav's initial interest in vlogging was sparked by his desire to share his artistic creations and adventures with a broader audience. He began by posting his sketches and art on Facebook, which garnered positive feedback and encouraged him to explore video content. Creation of the YouTube channel. In July 2017, Saurav Joshi created his YouTube channel, Saurav Joshi Vlogs, marking the beginning of his journey into the world of vlogging. His early videos primarily focused on art and daily life, reflecting his interests and personal experiences. First few videos and initial challenges. Like many big YouTubers like Mr. Indian Hacker, Total Gaming and Bhuvan Bam, Saurav faced several challenges in the early stages of his vlogging career. Gaining traction and building an audience required consistent effort and creativity. Despite these hurdles, his authentic and relatable content gradually attracted viewers, leading to steady growth. Types of content. Saurav Joshi's channel offers a diverse range of content, including daily vlogs, travel diaries, lifestyle updates, and adventure videos on his YouTube channel, Saurav Joshi Vlogs. His ability to document everyday moments with authenticity and enthusiasm has endeared him to millions of viewers. Unique style and presentation. Saurav's unique style lies in his down-to-earth presentation and genuine interaction with his audience. His vlogs often feature candid moments, family interactions, and scenic travels, creating a relatable and immersive viewing experience. Audience engagement and interaction. Saurav places a strong emphasis on audience engagement, regularly interacting with his viewer through comments, live sessions, and social media. This active engagement has fostered a loyal and supportive community around his channel. Notable series or popular videos. Some of Saurav's most popular series include his travel vlogs to various destinations, daily routines, and special family events. These videos often garner millions of views, highlighting his ability to connect with a wide audience. Subscriber milestones. Saurav Joshi's YouTube channel has achieved remarkable milestones, boasting over 30.7 million subscribers. This significant following is a testament to his consistent hard work and captivating content. Awards and accolades. In recognition of his contributions to the vlogging community, Saurav has received several awards, including the prestigious Vlogger of the Year award. His achievements have also been acknowledged by various media outlets and platforms. Media appearances and features. Saurav's popularity has led to numerous media appearances and features in magazines, online articles, and interviews. These appearances have further elevated his profile and expanded his reach. Influence on other vloggers in the YouTube community. Saurav Joshi's success has inspired many aspiring vloggers to pursue their passions and create content. His influence extends beyond his own channel, contributing to the growth and diversity of the YouTube vlogging community. Primary sources of income. Saurav Joshi's primary sources of income include YouTube ad revenue, sponsorships, and brand collaborations. His engaging content and large subscriber base make him an attractive partner for various brands. Estimated monthly and annual earnings. According to Social Blade, Saurav Joshi's estimated monthly earnings range from $105.5 thousand minus $1.70 m. This impressive income reflects his channel's popularity and high engagement levels. Major brand collaborations and deals. Saurav has collaborated with numerous brands, promoting products and services that align with his content and audience. These collaborations have contributed significantly to his overall income. Saurav Joshi's net worth is estimated to be in the range of several $million estimated net worth, with a substantial portion of his wealth attributed to his successful YouTube career and brand partnerships. Hobbies and interests outside of vlogging. Outside of vlogging, Saurav enjoys trekking, adventure sports, and traveling. His love for nature and exploration is often reflected in his content, adding an authentic touch to his videos. Favorite travel destinations. Saurav's favorite travel destinations include the hills and mountains, particularly in Uttarakhand. His vlogs frequently feature breathtaking landscapes and scenic locations, showcasing his passion for nature. Daily routine and personal habits. Saurav's daily routine involves a mix of content creation, family time, and personal hobbies. He enjoys simple pleasures like eating dal chawal, which he often shares with his viewer. Philanthropy and charitable activities. Saurav is also known for his philanthropic efforts, supporting various charitable causes and initiatives. His contributions have made a positive impact on his community and beyond. Personal relationships and family life. Family plays a central role in Saurav's life, and his vlogs often feature heartwarming interactions with his loved ones. His close bond with his family adds a personal touch to his content, making it even more relatable. Saurav Joshi's journey from a passionate artist to a YouTube sensation is a remarkable story of perseverance and creativity. His authentic content, engaging personality, and dedication have earned him a massive following and numerous accolades. Saurav's impact on the YouTube community and his audience is undeniable, and his journey serves as an inspiration for aspiring content creators. Be sure to follow his channel to stay updated on his latest adventures and vlogs. What is Saurav Joshi famous for? Saurav Joshi is famous for his simple and relatable content on YouTube. How old is Saurav Joshi in 2024? Saurav Joshi is 24 years in 2024. What is the number of Saurav Joshi? Saurav Joshi's number is not available on the internet due to privacy. How do I contact Saurav Joshi? To contact Saurav Joshi, you can find the email address from his YouTube channel. Is Saurav Joshi getting married? No, Saurav Joshi is not getting married yet.